mid-morning update on a Google chart. That's a 60-minute chart right there. And each one of our pricing lines are $2.82. So when we look at the bottoms that were put in over here, here's the sells that we had back on the 21st. Look at that. And they reported earnings, and they made the highs up here, and they took this thing right down here, and we got alerts. You can see what half bar 605 was there, and 605.87 is half a bar of that 60-minute, and then we came right back, and we got at 605.41. Here was the 60-minute buy bar. Look at that, 609. And these are 60-minute bars, but it tells you in the brain. So it's, and some of them will have several different alerts because it's a 60-minute bar. So everything that happens on the 3-minute level MMTs also happen here, MMTs. One of the things we're going to measure is where we put the bottom in. This is where we put the bottom in. And as you can see that we had those 1/4 price market maker challenges to overcome right there at that line. Then we have that diamond here with that gap today. And we did. You can see the half bar that was calculated the other day. There's a half bar reading there at 618.40 right here. And right here, you can see where these diamonds are going. Look at this 60-minute distribution bar. So that's important to understand on the 60-minute mid-morning update on Google. And Google's currently printing at a price of 617. 620.69 on the high. Time is 10:43 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. 125, 2011, and this is the mid-morning price action update using your 60-minute alerts are all right here, MMTs, and it tells you. All you got to do is put your cursor there, and oh my goodness, look at that. Closing half plus $9.43. That move was strong in here. But we've got challenges right here. So there are certain things that have to happen to get above this 60-minute bar so that we can get a breakout up here to these next highs again. And these highs over here were, like I said, on 125. Here's the time slot. So the time slot was 9 o'clock a.m. and half bar was 618.40, and we're currently below that half bar. And that's this 60-minute bar. And until we get above that price, this move remains weak. Mid-morning update. Not only that, we'll be taking a look later at the closing bell. This will be tagged to a special series of videos that were done as far as how to relate the $620 put and $600 call for MMTs